Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Volkswagen ID bus cargo, and this is by Majorette, and this is from the racing car series. I don't know why they put this under racing car series. Okay, so I bought this for 349, which is the MRP, and I seriously don't know why they put it under racing car series. So they going to race with this particular one? I'm not sure. Okay, let's unbox this. Actually, this casting feels pretty heavy. So I'm expecting the somewhere around at least 50 grams. Let's see. Okay, here is the card. So it doesn't have any that blister to hold it. I don't know what's the difference between this and vintage versions because they practically cost the same. Okay, so let's first go through this card once because it looks really cool. Yeah. So I really love these things with majority. One more thing is the wheels which they mention here that matches with the casting here. It doesn't do anything different. I mean, they stay true to whatever they are actually giving us. That is really nice. Okay, here's the specification of this car, which is really cool. Okay, let's put this card aside now and let's go to the casting. Okay, so here it is. Okay, out of the box I'm seeing some issues here. I don't know if it is. Oh my god, it has, I don't know. I can able to stick my hand on top of it. I don't know. If I spray, I think if I spray some lens cleaner or something, I think it might go away because I can able to scratch and take it out. I don't know how these things are happening. But apart from that, the livery on this looks really nice. The rims looks really cool on this one, and it has acrylic headlights, good logo placement, and the logo is not, messy or anything, which is really nice. It has rear view mirrors, that's good, and you can see the tail light details here, and along with the logo here, that is also clean, and metal body and plastic chassis. So it doesn't have any chassis detailing, but okay, now it doesn't feel that much heavy if you ask me. I don't know why. Okay, it has some scratches on the windshield here, but again, mine is having scratch. Yours might not, maybe. Okay, so let's see if we can open this. Okay, so here it is. Actually, it doesn't have anything inside. It's just empty. It's just empty plastic inside. If you want to put anything inside, to pose with this car, that would really go well. But put it in a contrast color so that would look really nice. Okay. So this is the only issue I'm having here. This is sticky. It feels like there's a sticker on top of it and someone peeled it off. Might be. I don't know. The interior looks good. Really nice. Let's do a suspension test. Yeah, this one has a very good suspension, and let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 43 grams. I was expecting around 50 grams, but this is also fine because out of the box now it feels now doesn't feel that much heavy. But overall, it's a very beautiful and solid casting, if you ask me. Okay, let's do a roll test. Surprisingly, it rolls really well. I think it has a little wheel wobble on the rear wheel. Let's see. It has a little wheel wobble on the rear wheel, but nothing major, but it rolls really well. Out of the three castings which we unboxed so far, this one rolls really well. Okay, that is nice. So apart from the stickiness here, I don't see any issue with the paint job. That looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.